How to think in English without translating. Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy English. I'm really happy you are here today. Today's topic is very important for every English learner. How to think in English. Many people say, I understand English but I can't speak fluently. The reason is simple. You are still thinking in your mother tongue and then translating. Today we will stop translating and start thinking directly in English. Start with the present moment. The best way to think in English is to think about what is happening now. Right now I am speaking. Right now you are listening to this podcast. This is called the present tense. Present tense is used for what we are doing now, what we are feeling now, what we can see now. Let me give you real-life examples. Real-life examples. Imagine this. You are sitting on your bed and listening to this podcast. Don't translate. Just think in English. I am sitting on my bed. I am listening to a podcast. I am holding my phone. I am learning English. Very good. These are small sentences, but they are powerful. Stop translating in your head. Many learners do this. First, they think in their language. Then they translate into English. Then they speak. This makes English slow and difficult. Instead, do this. Look around. Describe it in English. Use simple words. For example, you see a fan. Think. The fan is on. The fan is moving. You see a window. Think. The window is open. Fresh air is coming in. Simple. Natural. English. Use your daily actions. Think in English during daily activities. While walking. I am walking. I am going to the market. While eating. I am eating my lunch. The food tastes good. While resting. I am lying down. I feel relaxed. This is how English becomes part of your life. Think in short sentences. You don't need long sentences. Short sentences are best when you start. Try saying in your mind, I am happy. I am tired. I feel confident. I am improving. Even one sentence is enough. Practice every day. You don't need a book. You don't need a classroom. Your life is your English practice. Just remember one rule. Think about now. Use simple English. Don't translate. Final thought. You don't need perfect English. You need comfortable English. Start small. Think slowly. Think daily. English will come naturally. Thank you for listening to Easy English. Keep practicing. Keep thinking in English. See you in the next episode.